One hot day, the elephant found a tiny ant stuck in water. The elephant used his trunk and saved the ant. Next day, hunters came with a net. The tiny ant bit the hunter's foot. The elephant was saved. Abstract noun from the story: help, fear, friendship.